Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzati binti Zaidi. So for my part, I will explain about the political, economic, social and technological forces that can affect HP performance. So the first one is political forces. According to the website article MBA School Team, HP global operation in 170 countries are influenced greatly by government policies, regulation and political instability. The United Nations Human Rights Commission scrutiny in 2012 highlighted the significant role of political dynamics. The stability of a host country's government is pivotal as frequent changes can deter investments, while favorable policies such as special economic zones incentivize tech giants like HP to choose specific plant locations. The judicial system's independence is crucial as HP has a history of legal challenges. Moreover, shift in government policies, trade regulation, taxation, and the awarding of government contract can significantly impact the company's performance, making these political factors central to HP global presence and strategic decision. So the next one is economic forces. According to the website article MBA School Team, within the framework of the Pasteur analysis, a number of economic factors are crucial in the context of HP international business activities. HP must carefully analyze the economic environments of the nation where it does business or plan to expand. HP trajectory is heavily influenced by variables including inflation rates, GDP growth, labor prices, and a country's general financial stability. The market for HP computer hardware and software product is always growing as a result of the world's different regions expanding GDPs. Utilizing cheaper labor costs in countries like China and India increases revenue and makes it easier to export goods and Western markets. High inflation rates like those in countries like Venezuela and Mexico might raise the price of HP products, decreasing consumer confidence in the brand. In addition, a trained labor force, unemployment rates, and the effectiveness of the financial sector all have a significant impact on HP operation in any given nation. Next one is social forces. According to the website article MBA School Team, the strategic choices made by HP for its international expansion are greatly impacted by social factors. This encompasses social structures, cultural codes, education attainment, and demographics. HP adapts its system to meet the needs of other demographics in Western nations with the growing population, such as the US and the EU. India is one of the nations where the demand of computers and related items is driven by higher education levels. HP concentrates on marketing to parents who play a significant role in influencing purchasing decisions in areas with strong parental authority. The way HP approaches the worldwide market is heavily influenced by these social issues. So let's move on to the technological forces. According to Team MS 2023, technological forces are important in HP business environment because rapid investment in technology may have a significant impact on the business performance. HP must adjust to these developments in order to stay competitive. The rapid growth of technology may result in shorter product life cycle, more innovation, and changes in customer preferences. HP should concentrate on ongoing research and development to stay at the top of technical innovation if the company wants to succeed in this station. This might involve expanding its product offering and fulfilling changing customer desire by investing in new technologies. For instance, rivals like Dell and Lenovo rapidly adopted new technologies and offer small, powerful devices to meet shifting consumer needs. In addition, to introduce innovation products and raise market competition, they make significant R&D investment. So HP must invest in hiring staff, strategic partnership, and technical collaboration in order to stay competitive. According to the website article Case 48, HP include must cope with technological investment, especially the introduction of 5G in nations like South Korea, by modify products to satisfy customer expectation and analyzing in potential to enhance user experience, speed, and financial viability. HP can also sell direct products more easily in developing nations using digital payment system and third-party apps. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nur Husna Zulfamiti Rakib. So next, I will be explaining about the legal factor that can affect the HP performance. So as we know, the performance of multinational firms like HP may be strongly impacted by legal force that differ from country to country in terms of employees law. As an illustration, Germany has strict labor regulation that place a high priority on employees' rights, job security, and collective bargaining. For instance, employees who are hired as permanent full-time employees are only permitted to work a maximum of 48 hours per week in total. So, due to their influence on labor expenses, working conditions, and the capacity to make hiring decisions, this regulation may have an impact on HP performance. So, if HP want to keep their excellent reputation and successfully operate in the German market, it has to follow this regulation. So, for HP to compete successfully on a worldwide scale, it is essential that the company must understand and follow the specific employee protection in each nation where it conducts business. Okay, next. As for environment factor that can affect HP performance, so due to the rising pollution in the environment and technological advancement, innovative waste management and recycling procedure has become essential for companies. Recycling has become almost routine in a lot of countries. Furthermore, implementing effective waste management procedure in organizational units situated in or near city centre is essential for HP. Many nations have established strict rules to preserve their cities through appropriate waste management. In addition, weather and climate shift can have an impact on how well companies operate. For instance, severe weather might raise operating costs and force HP to make the value chain most adaptable. The firm may need to alter its product and marketing strategy as a result of such change, which might also affect the customer buying habit.
Hi, my name is Nuarisha Alia, and I'm going to explain about the technology forecast model. Alright, in order for HP to investigate their business forecast problem and objectives, they could use the following data inputs, such as historical sales data, which is HP could use historical data to identify trends and patterns in their sales. This would help them to forecast future sales and identify areas where they need to improve. The next is market research. HP could conduct the market research to identify trends in the market and understand customer needs. This will help them to develop products that meet the customer needs and stay ahead of the competition. Alright, now let's jump to the technology forecast process of multi-jet furies. So these are the steps that HP can consider to make the forecasting of their product, which is multi-jet furies. Okay, now let's take a look at the first step. HP has been developing 3D printers since 2000 and has a long-term market strategy. HP's multi-jet fusion technology is a recent development designed to compete with other 3D printing technologies. Okay, the next steps is HP can gather and organize historical data and information about multi-jet fusion technology, such as market size, growth rate, client segments, product characteristic, competitive advantages, and so on. They have to use trustworthy sources such as industry reports, research publications, and so forth. The next is the HP could feed the data and capture the patterns. They have to use a suitable mathematical model or statistical approach. For example, HP may assess the link between the speed of multi-jet fusion printing and the cost of per component using a linear regression model. Alright, let's move to the next step. HP might employ the exploration technique. Basically, this strategy entails utilizing mathematical models or statistical techniques to project past data and trends of multi-jet fusion technology, such as speed, quality, economies, and innovation into the future. Based on previous and present patterns, trend exploration allows HP to forecast future demand, supply, pricing, and performance of their multi-jet fusion products and services. After that, HP can apply the model or approach to the data and compute the forecast values for the following periods. For example, in 2033, HP may utilize the formula for linear regression to forecast the cost per component of multi-jet fusion printing. So the last step is HP may evaluate the predicted values' accuracy and validity by comparing them to other sources of information or by employing various models or approaches. For example, HP may compare its predicted numbers against those of other experts or approaches.
Okay, next I will explain about the technology forecasting process of Sprout. HP Sprout is a next generation PC that combines visual reality with digital 3D. Furthermore, HP is aiming for what it terms the maker in all offers, or for what some may refer to as creative types. Next, to forecast the process of Sprout, HP need to identify the Sprout technology essential dimension or aspects such as its hardware component, software feature, user interface, application, and so on. So, to identify this, they can use some resources such as trustworthy resources, industry report, research publication, and so on. So, as for the next step, HP might utilize statistical approach to study their business for the future of Sprout by utilizing the technology forecasting model when several years of data for a product or product line are available and correlation and trend are both evident and somewhat steady. Next, HP also need to employ forecasting technique by using normative. The morphological analysis approach is one conceivable technological forecasting procedure or Sprout that HP might apply. In addition, morphological analysis allows HP to investigate various Sprout technology variants and design and select the most effective or appealing one. So next, HP also make a chart or table that display all of the potential value combination or alternative for each dimension or parameter. A metric having 4 dimensions such as hardware component, software feature, user interface application, and the 3 chairs for each dimension, for example, would have 81 possible possibilities. And for the last step, HP used factors such as practically, economic viability, customer happiness, social acceptance, environmental effect, and so on to assess the potential and attractiveness of each combination. For example, HP may employ a scoring system to rank every criteria combination on an average of 1 to 5.
Hi, my name is Nur Elisa Hurin from class DBS 3B. Today I'm going to talk about product life cycle. So, what is the meaning of product life cycle? A product life cycle is the length of time from a product first being introduced to consumers until it is removed from the market. The amount of time spent in each stage will vary from product to product, and different companies have different strategic approaches to transitioning from one phase to the next. The first one is product development stage. According to Patrick Moorhead, Sprout is a next generation PC that combines physical and digital elements. The second phase is introduction. The HP Sprout is innovative and catered to a specific target audience according to the ABC News. The third phase is growth. According to Brian Heatham, HP has learned from past innovations to nurture HP's proud growth. The fourth phase is maturity. The customer buying and using experience right before the HP Sprout going abroad. According to Porterville, this is to sustain the HP Sprout growth. The last phase is declining. Sprout is already discontinued. Users complain the software are incredibly limited compared to competitors. This is said by Chriser.
Assalamualaikum. So I am Erin Melissa from DBS 3B. So I will be presenting about product life cycle of HP multi-jet fusion technology in the product life cycle stages. In September 2021, multi-jet fusion technology was positioned in the growth stage of its product life cycle. This technology had gained significant attention and adoption across various industries due to its distinctive capabilities in 3D printing. One of the key factors driving its growth was its remarkable speed and accuracy, which enabled the rapid production of intricate and precise 3D printed parts. Additionally, multi-jet fusion technology was highly regarded for its ability to produce functional parts, making it an attractive choice for both rapid prototyping and manufacturing applications. Next is, during this stage of the product life cycle, it is important to note that the technology was likely experiencing substantial investment and development to expand its capabilities and applications. HP and its competitors in the 3D printing space were likely working on refining the technology and addressing any limitation for further drive its adoption. However, it's crucial to understand that the product life cycle of a technology of product changes rapidly, especially in dynamic field of 3D printing. Advancements in materials, hardware and software, as well as evolving market demands, can influence the trajectory of multi-jet fusion technology. Therefore, to obtain the most up-to-date and information on its current stage in the product life cycle, it is advisable to consult the latest resources and official announcements from HP or relevant industry reports.